Welcome back everyone, my name is Abdullah Gori from Alpha Technology, and in this video we will talk about anchor tag in HTML. In this video we will learn how we can add a link to another web page, so whenever user click on that link, user will be navigated to that web page. And in this video we will also see how we can add the anchor tag on an image, so whenever user click on that image, the image will be maximized. So you can do the same thing with the video as well. If you are new on this channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload any new video to our channel. Now let's start. First of all, we need to create a new file. So we'll click on new file and then new file. I will save this file in our web designing course folder, and I will name this file as anchor.html. And here I will add an exclamation mark and hit enter. It will provide us the basic code of the HTML. Now I will replace the title and I will say this is anchor tag, and I will save this file. I will go back in the folder and I will open up this anchor file. So you can see this file is empty, but we only have the anchor tag as a title. Now we have some files there like index.html, in which we have list that we have learned in the previous lectures. And we have another file which is text.html, in which we have a random text. Now I will link these two web pages to this web page. Now let's go back in the IDE, and here what I will do, I will add a tag which is anchor tag. If you type A and hit enter, it will auto complete this A tag. Now in the hyper reference, we need to specify the address of the web page. Now our web page is in the same folder, so we don't need to specify the whole path. We just need to add the index.html name. So I will go back in the IDE, and here I will say index.html, and here I will add the text that user will see. Now we can add any text, so I will say click to see the list. I will save this file. I will go back in the browser, I will refresh it, and here you can see this is the link. Now whenever I click on this link, I will navigate it to the page which is Alpha Technology. The title of the page is Alpha Technology, and this is the page where we have two lists, which is order list. One is this is order list, and we have this is unordered list. Now I will go back, and here let's try to add another list. So I will add a break tag there, so it will add the next list on the next line. And here I will add a tag and then hyper reference, and here I will add text.html. Now here I will say random text. I will save this file. I will go back in the browser, refresh it. You can see this is random text. When I click on this, it will open up the random text file which is text.html. If I go back and if I click on this file, it will open up the index.html file in which we have two lists. That's how you can add the link to another web page. Now let's say we want to add a link to google.com or youtube.com. So how do we do that? So let's go back in the IDE. Here I will add a break tag. Now let's add a link to youtube.com. So here we need to specify the address of YouTube. So I will say https://www.youtube.com, and here in the text I will say YouTube. So this text will be displayed to the user. If I go back and refresh this page, it will show this text there, and if I click on this link, it will open up youtube.com. So that's how you can add the link to another YouTube page or any website. Now let's talk about how we can add an image on which we click and it will maximize. Now let's add an image first. So I will add a break tag. Here I will add image. If you don't know about how to add the image, you can watch my tutorial on how to add audio, video or image in HTML page. So now I will say image, and in the src I will specify the source of the image. So I have the image in our images folder. The image name is firstpage.html. I will say images. So I will go in images folder /firstpage.jpg. In the alternative text I will say first page. Now I will save this file, and here this text will be displayed when this image is not loaded. If I save this file, I will go back in the browser, I will refresh it. You can say this is our image. I will go back and I will set the width and height by using width and height attribute. I will say width is equal to 400, height is equal to 250. If I go back and refresh this, this is our image. Now you can see the cursor is look like this, but we want to make this cursor as pointer, and when we click on this, it will maximize. Now what we can do, we can cut this image, Control X, and we can add a hyperlink there. We can say A. In the hyperlink, we will specify the name of the file. So I will say images slash firstpage.jpg. In the hyperlink, I will add the image. I will save this file. I will go back in the browser. If I refresh it, now you can see the cursor become pointer now. If I click on this, it will maximize. So that's how you can add an image which will maximize when you click on that image. Now another thing, anchor tag have another attribute which is download. So if you specify the download attribute in some browser, if you refresh this, if you click on this file, it will be download. But some browser supports this thing and some browser does not support this thing. Another thing is that if you want to specify the name of the file, you can add the file name here. You can say first page. So whenever this file will be downloaded, the name of the file will be first page. So if I go on browser, if I refresh this, click on this file, this will be not downloaded because this browser doesn't support that, but some browser supports this thing. So whenever user click on this image, it will be downloaded. Now that's how you will use anchor tag in HTML. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section below, so it will encourage us to make more good content for you. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you get notification whenever we upload any new video to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.